welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this cut crease eye look, and I created it using the Dark Magic palette from the bulk collection. And I was just playing around with the colors and coming up with different looks, and this is what I came up with. And I really do love the way it came out. It's a little different than what I usually do. So yeah, but without further ado, if you'd like to see how I did this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I already completed one eye just because I was trying to practice to see how exactly I wanted to do this look. But I went ahead and primed and set this eye, and now we're gonna go in the Dark Magic palette and take the shade Potion, and that's gonna go into our crease, and we're gonna work it up into our transition shade. And I'm flicking it out so we have the shape for our cut crease. Okay, the next shade I'm taking is Inside Job, which is this dark like forest green, and we're just gonna place that in our crease and flick it out. Now I'm gonna just take like a angled brush just to precisely place that there, and then we're gonna go back and blend it out. Going back into that Potion shade, I'm just gonna blend the Inside Job shade out. Okay, I know this looks unblended, but I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my crease before I proceed to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna take Inside Job again and just kind of fix that. With a dual fiber brush, I'm gonna go back in with Potion and help blend that out better. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush, and we're gonna take the shade Power Cut for our lid. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend until it looks like my other eye, and then just keep adding if I need to add. Now I'm just gonna tightline the upper lash line. So now going in with my NYX Matte Black Liner, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a wing. Okay, so moving on to the bottom lash line, I'm gonna take this LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is in the white shade. And I'm just gonna put that in my waterline. And then I'm gonna top that with the shade Busted, which is this blue shade. And that's gonna go all down our waterline. Then take a tiny bit of Potion and just help blend that out. Now for today's lashes, I'm using the Lash Lab lashes in Goddess. And these are so pretty. They're not too dramatic because I didn't want to take away from the cut crease, but I mean, they do have some like flair to them. So I just applied a coat of mascara to my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna highlight the inner corner with that Power Cut shade. Next, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with this Becca Opal. So this does complete the look. And since it is a more cool tone eye look, I did pair it with a cool tone lippy. And this is the Tarte Tarteist Lip Paint in Fortune. And I got that when it was on sale for the 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta. And I really love the color. It's a little more different than what I usually use. But I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. So yeah, that concludes today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.